Good morning, guys. Once again, we are back out on the trails. As you can see, we've got all of our friends from South Vancouver Island. They've come up to our area and we are gonna go hit some sick trails today. Come along with us and it should be a great day. We're out here in beautiful Courtenay, British Columbia. Heather is driving a new rig today. It's not hers, unfortunately, but she's driving the infamous ZJ. How's it going?
It's good.
You like driving this thing?
It's a lot of fun to drive. Yeah.
Sick.
It's that Magnum V8 life.
Oof. I don't know what your guys' fuel economy is like. The ZJ's got the Magnum V8 in it, so I think it had 24.9 liters per 100. I don't know if that's average or actual. I don't know, but let me know what your guys' fuel economy is like when you're out wheeling on the trails. Leave it in the comments. So we're also doing this trail in reverse today, which I've never done personally. I don't know anybody that's done it yet in reverse, so yeah, I guess we'll figure it out. Fuck yeah, buddy! Woo! There's not a single time we go wheeling with Doncho. He doesn't go on 3 wheels. That's the way. Okay, so we're at this super sketchy part of the trail. It's a super like hardcore up, and it's wet, and there's roots and there's rocks all mixed into it. So let's have a look how Heather does in the ZJ. Dude, I was sick.
When I heard the engine backfire, I'm like, oh shoot!
Go. Yeah, you're digging a hole on the front side of that root. This section is gonna take a while to get the full group through.
Well, the more it gets chewed up.
The more you chew it out, yeah.
Come on up, 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 go, 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 go. Oh, fuck, you're so close. Yeah, stay in it. Go, 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 go. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, goodness, you're so freaking close. Yep, yep, yep. Go, 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 go. No. Not today.
Okay, so we're at this section of trail. Probably doesn't look like much on camera here, but it's really off camber and it's covered in moss. And when your tires are a little bit damp from running on the trail, it's a really intimidating part of the trail. especially for newer drivers, and we do have a few newer drivers on the trail today with us. I know, that's all right. I'm showing you where to go. Turn passenger, please, a little bit. Yeah, just roll like that, and then once your hood comes down, you'll see where to go. Nice work, man.
Thanks, buddy.
Passenger. Turn a bit more.
More?
Yeah, just stay like that. Your hood will dip in a minute and then you'll notice, you'll see. Passenger, turn passenger. There you go.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh yeah, no worries. Oh,
Should be a lot faster now.
fun times. Oh yeah, we're almost.
Yeah, we're out of the hard part, the roots on the trees.
It's okay, it just, you think you want to go that way, but you don't. Straight. Buddy. Yep.
Got it, nice.
Yep. Nice work. Okay, buddy.
Some big lumps in there, bro.
So if you guys probably remember this Jeep from, or this Bronco from one of our previous videos. This guy doesn't care. He's out here to have fun. And he's using this thing for what it was designed for. It's pretty nuts. Yeah, perfect, man. You got her. Okay, that's a wrap for today's wheeling. We had an absolutely fantastic time. We had no breakages. We had a little bit of carnage with the Gladiator and a tree. Heather was driving the Grand Cherokee and absolutely crushed it. She's also now officially the channel's spotter. She's the official spotter. And you'll probably see her with her own spotter merch coming up here. Yeah, but we just want to thank you guys for watching, taking the time to check out the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.